Hello friends, don't save the time and waste your life. Most of the time people what they do, they save the time but they won't use it properly. The thing is how you are using next time 24 hours determine how you will use it in the future next 24 hours. Because what we do, we will think more about future how we are using it but we won't think present. Most of the time what we do, we won't have any planning of using the time. So how many of you planning your 24 hours? I think very less. If you see people who became leaders, who are living the successful life, they have proper schedule of 24 hours. That's what they lead the life. These are my sleeping time, these are my office hours, these many hours I spend on taking my care, these are the hours I spend for my family. That was they divide 24 hours and they lead the life. But people, they don't know this technique. By accidentally they live the life and they waste the time and they waste the life. If you want lead your life, you want successful life, take care of time. Before going to sleep, spend 30 minutes to plan next day. What are the things you are going to do? Minimum 3 items. What are the things you are going to do tomorrow? Make a list. Just try to achieve those 3 action items. So end of the day, just review it. If you do this activity, come 21 days, you can see the magic. You can change your life. You can build great things in your life. That's what my sharing. How to handle the time. Manage your time, or else time will manage you. This is my sharing. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.